So now we're going to look at type. If we come up here to the toolbar, we can see the T for type tool, type T. So there's a couple of ways you can use this. If we just click and start writing, we can create a title and a single line of text. If we click and drag, we make a box that the text is going to live within. So it'll keep within this box, whereas this one will just keep going and going. So we can select this now with our selection tool. We can move it around. The properties panel should have opened up here for the side with some more information and things you can do. If it didn't, you need to go to Window and find Type and open it up, or find Properties and click on it so it opens. So the option we have here, if we're doing a paragraph or something, there's paragraph formatting there. If we want to change the color, the fill or the stroke, if you want to have an outline, just be wary here that the stroke is based on the thickness. So if one point is too thick, you might need to make it a bit smaller, a bit bigger, depending on your preference. If you don't want a stroke, we can just get it off like that. Here we can change the character to something else. We can scroll through and choose another one to work on. If we want to do playing with the size, the point scale, title, we can change the spacing between the two lines. This isn't a paragraph, so it works on the other one. Work on spacing. So here we can work. This is still an editable type, so if I decide to go in and change the spelling or anything like that, it's still editable. But if we want to adjust this type and change it and make it editable with our shapes, to select it, go to Object, Expand. We want to expand the appearance, so give it a fill and make it an object. Press OK, and now these are considered shapes, so we can't go in and edit these anymore. But if we use the direct selection tool, we can individually edit these as well. That also includes if we want to play with any of these shapes and alter them as we like. To suit our design. Another thing we can do is add our type into a shape. So we've got our type there. So we want to Object, Expand, and make it shape. We want to right click and ungroup. With this heart, I want to cut through it to make two different sections. So we use the knife tool that's under the eraser tool or scissors. So we can see it's cut that shape up. Then we want to select the text, arrange and send it to back. It needs to be at the back for this to work. We select these, select the shape, hold Shift and click on it. Go to Object, Envelope, Distort, Make with Top Object. The words together. We'll do the same thing with this one. Select, hold Shift and select the other space, go Object, Envelope, Distort, Make with Top Object. Hope that helps.